During a rainstorm, your home's first line of defense is the gutter system. But is yours doing enough to protect it? Traditional gutters are made in sections, and those seams? They're weak spots, prone to leaks, clogs, and costly water damage. Now imagine a cleaner, leak-free solution, seamless gutters, crafted from a single piece of material with no joints along the run. Each section is cut on-site, custom fit for your home, ensuring precision and fewer chances of failure. Available in aluminum, copper, or steel, these gutters combine strength with style. Compared to old sectional systems, seamless gutters are more durable, more attractive, and require less maintenance. Installation is fast and professional, completed in just a few hours by trained experts. Rainwater flows smoothly, safely diverted away, protecting your roof, walls, and foundation. Seamless gutters aren't just an upgrade, they're a smart investment in your home's future. Like what you see. Hit like, subscribe for more home care tips, and let us know in the comments if you have questions about gutter systems.